Hey everyone! Today, I'll guide you through registering for NJ Flap Junior, selecting the right course, and getting certified. Let's get started. First, go to www.njflap.in. Click on the registration button. Enter your full name. Enter your email ID. Create a password and confirm password. Click Sign Up. Once signed up, you will receive a confirmation email. Now, let's log in. Now go back to the login page, enter the email and password you just created. Click Login. Once logged in, you'll see a sign-up page where you need to fill in your details. Under RUA, select Student from the drop-down menu. Full name. Name of school. Under Pursuing Year or Standard, select your standard. Under Pursuing Course, select School from the drop-down menu. City, gender, date of birth and age. Full address. After filling in all details, click Save. A new page will open. Now you'll see a Browse Courses option. Click on it. Browse through the courses. Select the first course, NJ Flap Junior. Click Enroll. A pop-up message will appear saying Enrollment Successful. Click Continue. Under My Subscription, select NJ Flap Junior. You'll find a total of 16 topics. Watch each module video carefully and complete all modules to proceed to the final exam. Once all 16 topics are completed, you'll be eligible for the exam. For the exam, you will have 30 questions, 1 mark each, so total 30 marks. The exam will be 30 minutes duration and the passing marks, 15 out of 30, and you get up to 5 attempts. You need at least 15 marks to pass. If you fail, you can retake the exam up to 5 times. Once you pass the exam, you'll receive a digital certificate. You can download and share it to showcase your financial literacy achievement. And that's it. You're now ready to register, complete NJ Flap Junior, and earn your certificate. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more financial tips. See you in the next one.